Okay, I have here today Renwick George of R. George Automotive Inc. Renwick, thank you for taking a few minutes to answer a few questions for us today.
You're welcome.
Renwick, the first question is, how did you get started in the automotive business?
Well, it's always been a dream for me one day to work on cars as I was around some older guys working on cars. And I just wanted to do that. And I went to school and I started getting training and I started getting into fixing cars. And I actually obtained an associate's degree in it. And then was working for Lexus of Orlando
Awesome.
and other small facilities and dealerships around here in Florida.
Awesome.
And I decided, one day I would just open my business, and so I did.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Just to let you guys know, Renwick is camera shy, but he's doing a great job. So just bear with him. But he's taking a lot of precious time out of his schedule to do this for us. And like I said, he's not a movie star; he's camera shy. So just bear with us. This is live, guys. So we appreciate it. All right. Second question, Renwick, is how long have you been in business for yourself, running your automotive shop?
I've been in business for about 5 years.
5 years. Awesome. Okay, cool. Okay, and third question is, what do you like most about what you do?
I like to see the satisfaction on customers' faces or anyone's face that I help fix their cars or solve an issue with their cars.
Yes, yes.
I like to see the gratification. I like to see the results, like
Okay.
if a car comes in and it has a front end collision.
Okay.
Um, it's like an art form to me. It's like I like to see the end result,
Okay.
you know, and the smiles on the people's faces.
So do you find that when people are happy, it makes you happy?
When people are happy, George is happy.
Okay. I remember earlier also you mentioned that this is like a little ministry for you. How does that work? It's like, how does that fit in exactly?
Well, I have the gift of I have this mechanical gift that was given to me by the Lord.
Okay.
So it works out. It works out very well with what I do,
Okay.
and I actually like helping people um, get back on the road, safely, and everything else.
Okay.
You know.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so you use your gift that God has given you in the automotive field to help people drive safely back and forth on our highways, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Like I said, guys, he's shy, so bear with us. Okay, and finally, the last question is, and as we close, we'll close with this. Where do you see our George Automotive going in the future?
Oh, it's gonna turn into a global car ministry
Okay.
where we mentioned before that I like to use my gifts and talents that the Lord has given me.
Yes.
So I would like to use my gifts and talents that the Lord has given me, and I can see all George Automotive Inc. turning into a car ministry
Yes.
where I will be repairing vehicles using my gifts and talents that the Lord has given me
Okay.
to repair vehicles and give away to people free.
Okay.
um, to donate to people that is truly in need of a vehicle, like single mothers, fathers, people that just they work but they can't really afford a car.
Yeah.
I would like to donate it to those kinds of people and just use my gifts and talents for that.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It sounds like a worthwhile mission there.
Yeah, it is a mission and it's a great mission. It's a work of the Lord.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, George, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to answer a few questions for us. And you guys have heard from George today. And stop by his shop. It's on his website, the address, phone numbers. Reach out to him if you need quality repairs done on your car. As you can see, and you heard for yourself, he does not. He just doesn't fix your cars. He fixes your cars in a way to glorify God, because he wants to glorify God and everything. So you'll be getting a good job done in your cars because he's doing it not just for you per se, but he's doing it to glorify God as well in the process.
Exactly.
So you'll get an excellent
Exactly.
job done in
And
your
I
cars.
would love the end result to always be satisfying to you as my customer.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Remrick, thank you so much again for taking a few minutes to answer a few questions for us. May God richly bless you, and may you prosper with your car business.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.